Friends, welcome to Class with Mathematics. Today we will solve some problems from worksheet number 2 of simple interest. Now question number 1, we have question is there, find the simple interest. We have to find the simple interest at the end of 1 year for the following. Now a part, here we have to find the simple interest on 400 rupees at 5% per annum for 1 year. Now in this case we have 400s are given to us. That means to find the simple interest, this 400 is principal is equal to 400 rupees and 5% it is the rate of interest is 5%. You will write it as 5% per annum. For per annum you will write as PA, means एवरी ईयर का रेट है ये, एक साल में 5% इंटरेस्ट है. ठीक. नाउ टाइम ऑलरेडी वी हैव गिवन, वी हैव टू फाइंड द सिंपल इंटरेस्ट at the end of 1 year. So time is 1 year. Now simple interest. So to find the simple interest we have to write the formula first. P principal into rate into time upon 100. Now what is principal? Principal is 400 rupees given to us, multiply a rate is 5%, we will write 5 and time is 1 year. So 1 divided by 5% means 5 upon 100, right, for every 100. So write 100 in the denominator. Now after that find out the lowest term. 2 zeros stuck off with 2 0 of 400. So what is left now? 4 multiply 5 multiply 1 in the denominator. Here 1 is left, so we will not write 1 in the denominator. Now multiply it, you will get 20 rupees. That means after 1 year we will get 20 rupees simple interest. Now here we have again a C part is there. Here principal is given to us, that is 2500 rupees at rate is given 4 whole 1/2% per annum, right. यहाँ पे 4 whole 1/2% है. That means mixed number is given. So where we have mixed number is given, we will change into improper fraction. It is 9/2% per annum. Now after that we have time is there. Time is 1 year. Now simple interest. So to find the simple interest we again apply the formula, principal into rate into time upon 100. So principal is 2500 rupees, rate is 9/2% per annum. So we will write 9 here only and 1 and now 100 multiply by, because it is 9/2, so we will write 2 in the denominator along with 100. So ये जो 100 है ये परसेंट का 100 है, फॉर एवरी 100. सो परसेंट का 100 आ गया, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 9/2, it we write like this way. Now after that what we do now, we will find the lowest term. 2 0 stuck off with 2 0 of 2500. Now here 2 is left. 2 के टेबल में ऊपर कोई भी नंबर डिवाइड नहीं होता है, तो हमारे पास क्या बच के आएगा? 225 multiply by 9 multiply 1 divided by 2 is left. So multiply it, 25 9 are the 225 upon 2. Now divide it, we will get 112.5. okay, that is the simple interest. Now the similar we have question number 2 is there. In question number 2 similar type of problems are given to us. Now I will solve only one problem from question number 2. In question number 2 we have given the complete the table by calculating the simple interest. Now I am going to solve again C part, question number 2, C part. Here principal is given to us is 300 rupees and rate is given to us 12% per annum and time here is 3 whole 1 by 2 years, right? So it is again time in mixed number, so you will write it 3 2 are 6 plus 1 7 upon 2 years. Now simple interest, you will calculate the simple interest. So again apply the formula, principal into rate into time upon 100. Now principal is 3000 rupees multiply by 12 multiply by 7. Now 12 divided by 100 into, it is 7 upon 2, so you write 7 upon 2 here, 2 in the denominator along with 100. Now after that you will stuck off the 20 of 100 with 20 of 3000. Now 2 के टेल में ये 12 भी डिवाइड हो जाएगा, 2 6 are the 12. So what is left now? 30 multiply by 6 multiply by 7. Now multiply it. When you multiply it, you will get 1260 rupees. That is the simple interest you will get after 3 whole 1 by 2 years. Now again we have question number 3 is there. Here words problems are given to us. In words problem, so I am going to solve one word problem from question number 3, that is question number 3. Now what is word problem there? Here we have word problem is there. A part, a man deposited 4,500 rupees in a bank which paid him an interest of 11% per annum. How much simple interest will he get at the end of 5 years? राइट, यहाँ वर्ड्स प्रॉब्लम के अंदर बड़े सिंपल वर्ड्स प्रॉब्लम है. आपने क्या करना है, एक मैन ने एक आदमी जो है वो 4500 डिपॉजिट करता है. तो अगर वो मनी डिपॉजिट करता है तो दैट मीन्स उसका प्रिंसिपल कितना है, 4500 रुपीज़. नाउ बैंक में डिपॉजिट किया और बैंक जो उसको इंटरेस्ट जो पे करता है वो 11% पर एनम, मतलब उसका जो रेट है 11% पर एनम. मैंने पहले आपको बोला था कि जो रेट होता है ऑलवेज परसेंट में होता है, 11% पर एनम. एंड हाउ मच इंटरेस्ट विल ही गेट एट द एंड ऑफ 5 ईयर्स. तो 5 ईयर्स के बाद उसको कितना इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा, दैट मीन्स टाइम जो उसका 5 ईयर्स है. नाउ you have to find the simple interest. Again you will apply the formula. Right, now principal is 4,500 multiply by rate is 11%, time is 5 years, divided by 100. Okay, now you will stop off it. After that you multiply it. मल्टीप्लाई इट इन द रफ कॉलम. 45 को 11 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, 45 11 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, उसके बाद 45 को पहले 11 से किया, फिर उसके बाद लास्ट में 5 है, 5 से भी मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, 5 by 25. ठीक, सो योर सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इज 2475 रुपीज़. पहले आप 45 को 11 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फिर आप 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. पहले 45 को 11 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, जो आएगा आंसर, फिर उसमें उस जो आंसर आएगा उसको 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, यू विल गेट द टोटल सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. नाउ it means that the man who deposited 4,500 in the bank, he will get 2475 rupees as interest after 5 years. So if you want to write the statement, you can write it, otherwise no need of statement. If you want to write the statement, ठीक, so therefore E, how much, so total interest that he will get back after 5 years is equal to 2475 rupees. So this way you can solve the words problem of worksheet number 2. Thank you.